Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tim, and this is the first episode of many in which we will restore and maintain an E39, and we'll do it only using the YouTube earnings that I get along the way. Now I'll show you the car and everything that's wrong with it, but before we get to that, let me just outline the rules for how we're going to go about doing this. Number one, well, use only YouTube earnings. And as of right now, that's somewhere between $120 and $140. But this number here may go up or down depending on how many views we actually get. I'll have to show in each video exactly how much I've spent and how much we've earned as well. And rule number two is that I can use both new and used parts because, sometimes used parts will make sense. And honestly, we don't have that much to spend, so we'll probably be required to use some used parts along the way, maybe such as springs or stuff like that. And rule number three is that we can buy from private individuals such as Facebook Marketplace and stuff like that, and also obviously from companies that either sell these new or used parts as well. And rule number four, I can haggle. So if, let's say that I find a set of wheels that I really like for this project here, well, maybe it costs, I don't know, $200, maybe I can haggle it down to $150 or so, and that is also allowed. And speaking of wheels I'd like to get, well, I can sell parts. So for instance, if I can sell the old wheels and get some money back there, then I'll be able to spend that money as well. And rule number six is that I can save up. If my monthly earning is $100 or so and I only spend like $50 on a certain repair, well, the rest of the $50 I can use for the next repairs. And finally, outside services has to come from budgets. And by this I mean, for instance, professional alignment, or if I need to get the AC recharged or stuff like that, where I simply just don't have the tools. The only things that are outside the budget, well, that is tools. I do have most of the tools I'll be needing already, but there may be instances where I have to go and buy various small tools to complete the job. Also, shipping costs. Now, a lot of places when you buy for a certain amount of money, you get a free shipping, and oftentimes I can go and pick up the parts myself from the local parts dealer. But there are instances where I can't get them without paying some shipping. But we're gonna exclude the shipping costs because, well, sometimes you just need a small let's say some bushes for the anti-roll bar, and maybe you can buy those used but good for like $20, and then I have to pay $20 shipping. That to me simply doesn't really make sense. So we're going to keep shipping costs out of it. Taxes. Now, to actually keep this car running here, I need to pay quite a lot in taxes and fees. That will be outside the budget too, because, well, the budget of around $120 doesn't even add the cost of fees and taxes and insurance. So these are the rules for now. If you have any additions or any thoughts on these rules here, please do let me know in the comments. And with all that being said for now, let's take a look at the car we'll be restoring. And here we have it, a BMW E39 528i automatic. It's extremely dirty because it's been parked under a tree, which is most evident here and down here as well. But overall, it's actually in pretty good condition. However, there are a few things to be fixed. For instance, these headlight lenses here, those are shattered, but only on one side. Over here, you'll notice that this one here doesn't align very well, and this one here as well. Well, previous owner hit something which dented this and made this pop out. So I have to fix a dent here. There's also a little bit of beginning rust here that we can fix before it gets to the outside. But that's actually the only rust it has. Also, it has a small dent back here as well. So we'll have to try some paint and dent correction, which I haven't done before. So that's gonna be interesting. Also, there's a ton of weird stickers all around the car. Here's some stickers as well we'll need to remove. Other than that, it's actually in a pretty good shape. Now on the inside, well, it's a gray, silver car with a gray interior. And I'm not a huge fan of this color here. And it's definitely seen better days. But one could re-dye the interior for a fresher look and change these wood trims to some piano black or whatever. Also, as you can see here, the seats, they are really in need of a new dye. Some scratchy plastics. This one here won't stay closed. Whatever reason, the original owner of this spec some pretty comfortable non-standard seats, but there are no buttons in the steering wheel and no cruise control either. The rear seats aren't as used as the front ones for obvious reasons maybe, but it could definitely need a cleaning and re-dye here as well. Let's try and start it up. I know there's an airbag error. This one here, it's the passenger seat airbag sensor that has some issue of some sort. It's probably an easy fix, but I haven't encountered this error here before. But other than that, it's a fault-free cluster. Let's pop the hood. These here flapping about. Completely stock engine, no cold air intake or anything. Obviously very dirty. We'll need to fix that as well. But runs fine, idles smoothly, gets decent miles per gallon when you drive it. So being that there are no faults in the when I read out the error codes, well, I would say that it's probably in pretty good condition. Also, the car has done 200,000 kilometers, what is equivalent to 120,000 miles or so. Let's raise it up and see what's wrong with it underneath. Newish shocks here and stabilizer end links. Here someone also added a few new parts. Sweats a bit of oil really, but it appears to be nothing crazy. Very ugly transmission pan here, but it appears that it is at least sealed. Original exhaust with the catalyst beneath the car, instead of the later version where you have them up here by the ABS module, completely frying them over time. Full exhaust is original and it even has the original vibration dampers here as well. But as you can see, a very rust-free, but obviously a dirty example. Tank straps here, those are a bit rusty, but for instance, all these sills here, panels, well, those are intact and completely rust-free. So a really good starting point. Here you can see it as well, no rust at all. Now I know that at least one of the springs in the rear is broken. Let's see, is it this one here? Here you can see the spring is broken. The inner fender is shot. I don't know what they hit here, but whatever it was, well, it also destroyed the inner fender. All right, that's gonna be it for this video here. For the next video, I think we'll try and make it look better using only the $120 or so we have available. And we can do that buying some used lowering springs. Now we'll probably need to reuse the strut mounts and so on. So I'm really hoping that they're intact, and obviously also good wash and clean as well. Then by the end of that video, it'll hopefully not be as grandpa as it is now. Well, maybe it'll even handle better as well. Now, if you want to see me restore this car here on a YouTube budget, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And also, if you have any ideas to rules that I have forgot or other things you might want to add, well, let me know in the comments, because I just thought this up here, and it's possible that there are some rules that I haven't thought about, or that they're completely stupid, the ones I have already made for myself. So just hit me up, really.